Hello guys, welcome to Crypto. My name is Arthur. In this video, I'll show you how exactly we're going to make money with Luno Crypto Exchange or Valr Crypto Exchange or any crypto exchange that has spot trading. So make sure you watch the whole video to the very end, because in this video, you're going to know how exactly we're going to make passive income simply by using this method that I'm going to show you in this video, as long as you have Luno or Valr accounts or any crypto exchange that is offering spot trading like Binance, Bybit, and all other crypto exchanges out there. And you already know what we do on this channel. We always find ways to make money with Bitcoin, Satoshi Nakamoto, and everything related to cryptocurrency. So without any further ado, let's get right into it. Alright guys, so we already know that Valr and Luno are local crypto exchanges and they offer spot trading, but then many people don't know how exactly they can take advantage of this spot trading, because spot trading is all about buying low and sell high, and that's how we make profit. But in this video, I'll show you the best method that you can use to apply on spot trading and make passive income every day by simply buying low at low price and then sell later at higher price in the future. And I'll show you how exactly you are going to do this in this video. So if you don't know how to use Luno Exchange or Valr Exchange, I made a lot of videos on this channel. Make sure you check out Luno tutorial or Valr tutorial, and you're gonna know exactly how to use this crypto exchange. And another tip is, if you wanna buy and sell cryptocurrencies on Luno Exchange, please do not use the market order or don't use these tabs. You'd rather go to where it's written exchange right there, because if you use an exchange, the fees are actually cheap compared to the market order. So this is exactly how you do this, but let me just show you how exactly you're gonna buy cryptocurrencies on Luno without spending a lot on transaction fees. And this is exactly how the dashboard of Luno look like. As you can see, simple and easy to use, especially for beginners and all that stuff. So as you can see that I've got like 1,000 Rand in my wallet, and let's say I want to buy Bitcoin right now. This is exactly how you are going to do it, right? So you can either use a market order right here on an exchange, not on the previous dashboard. Or you can use a limit order right here on an exchange as well. I mean, the fees right here are not really crazy compared to the previous dashboard. So let's say you want to buy right now and you don't want to wait and stuff like that. This is what exactly you can do. You can click market, and let's say you want to buy XRP right now using Valr Crypto Exchange, right? So we're gonna go right there and look for XRP, or we can simply tap right there and click XRP to ZAR, because I've got South African Rand. So it's going to show me this pair right here, and you're just going to click market and click 100% just like this and click buy. And this is how exactly you buy on an exchange using Valr Crypto Exchange, right? And click confirm, and you would see that transaction is gonna go through immediately, and I'm gonna have some XRP on my wallet, right? You can see I've got this amount of XRP, and it's simple like that and stuff like that. But then many people don't know when exactly they should be buying and they should be selling in order for them to make money. As you can see, this is the price of XRP, right? You have to be buying right here and sell right there at higher price, and in this case you can make approximately like 2%, I mean, a day, right? Or maybe within 2 hours, and that's how exactly you can make those profits. But in this video, I want to show you this crazy indicator called heavy crypto indicator, and you already know that I've been screaming about this indicator on this channel for more than now 7 months, and it has been working great for me, because with this indicator it tells me when exactly I should be buying and when exactly I should be selling. For example, you can see right here I got this buy signal, and the price went up approximately, you're talking about 8%, right? So let's say you put like $1,000, and then that's how easy it is. You can make like 8% just like that by simply using this indicator. So when it says buy, you go to Luno Exchange or Valr Crypto Exchange or any exchange that is offering spot trading, all right? And then you place an order, or you buy the same thing I showed you right here, how to buy and stuff, right? I showed you how exactly you can buy like XRP or any other coin. You do the same, you buy when you get the signal right here using this indicator. And then when it's time to sell, obviously this indicator is gonna give you signal at higher price, and that's how exactly you are going to make profit. So in this case, let's say you bought right here, and then you got this signal right here, a selling signal. This would be like 5%, right? Approximately 6%, right? So this is how exactly you can make money with spot trading. You simply have to buy low and sell high at higher price. So this indicator has been working crazy for me, and I've been making a lot of money with this indicator for more than right now 3 years, and I still use it. As you can see, it's called Heavy Crypto Pro, and the link to it is going to be in the description below as well. And you can simply go to Heavy Crypto University. Right now, this is the website that we have just launched, heavycryptouniversity.online. This is our official website that we have launched, and this is where exactly you can also get these crazy indicators so that you guys can also make passive income. I don't want to keep by myself, so I know I'm just giving it to everyone so that everyone can make money in this space. And this is where you can learn pretty much everything about trading and all that stuff. You simply have to sign up and get our popular course. It's called Crypto Web3 Masterclass, and in this course you're gonna learn pretty much everything. It doesn't matter whether you're an advanced trader or a beginner, but by the end of this course, you're gonna learn pretty much anything about crypto, and you're gonna be killing it, making money with crypto every day. You can book me one-on-one right here. Here's a heavy crypto indicator. So if you want to get these buying and selling signals, make sure you check out this heavy crypto indicator. And this is the indicator that's going to give you buying and sell signals. Plus, you're going to join our private group. You're going to have access to me so that you can also ask me any question that you want to ask related to crypto. So this is called heavycryptouniversity.online, and that's where you can pretty much get anything that you want from heavy crypto and take your trading career to another level. So same thing applies to Valr. If you have Valr accounts, you can also apply the same method. You simply have to choose any pair that you want to take advantage of. So basically right now I've been taking advantage of Ethereum because you have seen Ethereum pumping hard, and we're killing it, right? You know what I mean? So that's why you can see that this indicator has been applied on an Ethereum pair. You know what I mean? So if you want it, I'll leave the link to heavycryptouniversity.online in the description below, or you can just simply go straight to Heavy Crypto Indicator. The link is going to be in the description below as well. And this is the indicator. It's not far, right? Here's the indicator. This is where you can get it. So this is it. My name is Arthur, guys. Just wanted to show you how exactly you can make money with spot trading every day, killing it and all that stuff. Therefore, I saw another video. My phone number and everything, including email, is going to be in the description below if you want to reach out and ask me any questions. So this is, my name is Arthur, guys. Therefore, I'll send the video. Love and peace, guys. Cheers.